ANCEL automobile for your car needs. Unboxing, show you what you get inside. A USB-C compliance cable in its bag and cable, supplied OBD module, and an instruction guide to go over. Going over in brief detail of the ANCEL unit. Rubber case protects the hard shell plastic, easy to remove by pulling out and removing the cable. Placed back in the case is simply overlapping and closing on for shockproofness. On the bottom is an open door for the USB-C, on top for the cable. Plugs into the car. By plugging in, opens the unit up. Please perform related operations on your computer. Locate in the car, the OBD reader area, and plug in. When plugging in, the screen lights up in 6 different badge icons. Plugging in the OBD module to the port, ANCEL, OBDI, IM, battery, lockup, lookup, review, and setup. This is not touchscreen. By going down and over to setup, OK. We have language, unit of measurement, beep, record information, background, tool information, and repeat. Escape backs out, review information and look up codes and checking the battery out. Please turn the ignition in the off. Current voltage 11.81. Start detection by starting the car. And the voltage shows a reading of 1314 volts. Hit OK. And escape to cancel. The ANCEL AD530 going over the OBD2, hitting OK. We have the MIL status, the DTCS in the ECU, the support, readiness, and others. 2 pages of information. We can read if we have codes by processing. We can erase, read the IM, freeze information, O2 sensor, onboard monitoring, and test the components. These are just some of the features that you go over for testing on the ANCEL AD530. Catalytic monitor, VVT monitor, purge flow, sensor, misfire, cylinder 1, and so forth. We can review the information provided, read the DTC, delete the information, and so forth. The ANCEL color screen 5D joystick and buttons OBD2 reader with a nice carrying bag to fit everything in and all. Enjoy your OBD2 reader for most recent cars, for reading codes, monitoring, and more. Enjoy your product if this is something that you are looking for. Thank you for viewing.